Ever feel like your characters play a game of dress-up, changing their look with every new scene? Achieving consistent character designs across all your visuals is absolutely essential for recognition and brand identity. And today, we're diving into how Nano Banana can be your secret weapon for just that. The first step is to establish your core character blueprint. Think of this as the DNA of your creation before you even touch Nano Banana. You need that solid foundation, their defining features. This means deciding on their unique silhouette, their signature hairstyle, their typical wardrobe, and any standout facial features. You might even want to create a quick reference sheet. Now, let's bring Nano Banana into play when you're ready to generate your character. The trick is to be highly descriptive and specific in your prompts. Don't just say, a wizard. Think, an elderly wizard with a long, white beard, a stern expression, wearing a deep sapphire blue robe with silver embroidery, carrying a gnarled wooden staff. The more detail you provide, the more Nano Banana has to latch onto. This specificity is your primary tool for locking in those constant attributes. Once you have an initial generation that's close to your vision, it's time for iteration with Nano Banana's refinement tools. Think of it as sculpting. You can guide the AI to adjust subtle details. If the nose is a little too wide in one generation, or the hair color is slightly off in another, use Nano Banana's adjustment features to nudge it closer to your established blueprint. This is where consistency is truly hammered home. Finally, when you're using Nano Banana for subsequent images or scenes, always refer back to your core blueprint and your best initial generation. Replicate those key descriptive phrases you used before. And if you're using reference styles, ensure they complement, rather than overwrite, your character's fundamental design. By combining deliberate prompting, thoughtful refinement, and a constant reference to your character's core identity, Nano Banana empowers you to build visually coherent worlds where your characters are always, unmistakably, themselves.